So this pool area, it gets hot, and the heat transfer is going to the other space of the house. Okay, and the other space is getting hot, and that's the main complaint. So, but what's happening with the pool area? The pool system, which is this guy, okay, it lost the belt, which is this. That's why there is nothing moving right here. This is hot. Okay. So that's what is happening right here. Okay, let me see if sometimes we have some extra belts. So there are some belts over there. I'm gonna see if one of those will make it.